everyone, my name is Maria. We're here today to show you in a few simple steps how to order Anthony door online. First, you have to find your work order of the door on the top of the door. And then let's go to the computer. Alright, we are at the computer, so the first thing is pull up the Anthony store website and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you can go to the work order search bar and enter your work order number that you got from your door and hit the search bar. The work order information will show, and you have two options: get part and a replacement door assembly. So you can click on the replacement door tab and it's gonna be added to your cart. The screen is gonna show you if you can add it to your shopping cart or to a cold cart. Let's add it to a shopping cart because we want to buy the door right away. We'll proceed to checkout with the button on the right, and then you can pick and ship to address that you already used before, or you can enter a brand new ship to address. You can hit continue checkout. After that, add your freight and shipping options and continue. Add your payment terms. You can use a credit card or a PO payment if you have established account with Anthony. And with the last continue checkout button, you can see all the information for your order, from billing address to shipping address, shipping method, payment method, total of the parts as a quantity, and dollar amount. Once you confirm all the information, you agree to the terms and conditions, and the final button will be submit the order button. You will see order reference number showing on your screen, and your door is ordered. And just as you know, if you're out in the field, this process works on the phone as well.